风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what up, yo? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and once again, we got the music of Hakka singer and rapper Vuize right here,王鍾惟. Now, he has been very unhappy with the education system he grew up with, and so he created this song called Go Mode. That's the title in English, and it means an attitude of not being content with stagnation and always seeking change. But what's interesting is it's also a play on the Hakka word Go Mo. In the Hailu dialect of Hakka, it's used to scold or criticize rebellious people or actions. But in the song, the title means something positive, always wanting to change and grow. So let's take a listen to Go Mo.
VUIZE on this, yeah, 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 yeah. VUIZE on this, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hakka boy.slow mo 向地窗湊好，每部火落到，每部風個爽，嗌唔起講講，轉回速途情感。I'm on a go mo， not gonna slow mo， 你講嗌 go mo， 嗌起你湊好，每部火落到，每部風吹走，嗌講起要漲。I'm on a go mo， not gonna slow mo， 客家人正講，客家界先鋒，生活愛做到，今年做雙風，轉回個主動人。I'm on a go mo， not gonna slow mo， 愛說是愛做，愛是最好做，切地出唔到，切地唔打鬆，嗌掉速度動槍。I'm on a go mode now, might go kill more later. 一直在寫目標 ，climb that like ladder， 進京學魔教，全部種種為人，人生路八八條，設計對到最人，種種 keep accelerate， 電工機通變成線，通通灰色地條線，猜疑全部看見。Pen and tears evaporate. All the wall we penetrate. Might go hard yet I have faith. Might go worldwide don't know yet. Go mode is in this state.
Go Mode， 这是王鍾惟的一个作品哦，叫做 Go Mode。英文的表示啊，是在讲说要求新求变的一个态度，而刚好这个词跟海陆腔客语 Go Mode 的发音很像。不过客语的意思呢，反而是在指责叛逆的人或行为，蛮有趣的吧 ？Hope you enjoy this song by Vuize called Go Mode, and that does today's Hakka song. I'm Joseph Lin.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.